big smile on my face today because you know why? I am so close to 50,000 subscribers, guys. This is awesome. Thank you so much. Hey, and welcome to another episode of I have hair on my lips. Welcome to another episode of Anisha Talks. So today we are all gonna talk about girls. Girls. Good girls. And we all know how difficult it is to attract girls in general, but when it comes to Indian girls, it's a bit more effort involved. And why is that? Well, because as much as we Indian girls say we like all modern and we don't care, no, we actually do, because we grow up more conservatively and more protected, and it takes a bit more effort of the guy to just attract a girl. And in my last Bhai Zone video, all of you guys asked me how to attract a girl, and I was like, let me come up with the idea and make a video about it to tell all of you guys the things you should do to attract a girl. But sadly, there are also few things you guys do we girls do not really like. So I thought it's time for me to tell you guys the things you shouldn't be doing to attract a girl. Hey, somebody had to say it and it happened to be me. Can't help it. So next week I'm going to tell you how to attract Indian girls. But let's get into the don'ts now so that we're all ready for the do's next week. Alright, so here are my 5 don'ts. By the way, I'm wearing my happy necklace today, so be happy and like this video. Number 1, the creepiness factor. I know the only place to get some advice from nowadays is from Bollywood movies, because everything else has been banned by Uncle Modi. Hi Daya! But let me tell you, being a molesty creep like our Bollywood heroes on screen is probably not a good thing. Touch karke, kaha jaldi bach karke. And please don't listen to our Bollywood heroines when they sing, oh zara touch me, oh zara kiss me. No, please don't. No, don't come here. Please don't kiss me, no. It's Bollywood. It doesn't really happen in real life unless you want to be considered a creep. I mean, your choice, man. But don't cry afterwards if no girl wants to ever talk to you again. Also, please, you should stop bajawing this CT when a girl walks by, and definitely stop leeching at her as if you're gonna eat her. She's a girl, not a chicken lollipop. Hi, Daya. And also, do not stalk her on Facebook or WhatsApp, because if she finds out that you're a psycho, you lost her forever. Forever and ever, the 7 janams. Thok diya. So don't be a creep, promise? Number 2, dishonesty. Sadly, my friend, you cannot fake it to make it, because sooner or later it is gonna come out, my friend, and you will have to pay for it. Remember what happened to Maggie? They lied about their content and look, they got banned. And thanks to the ban, we have Baba Ramdev selling Patanjali noodles now. See what happens when you lie? And do you really want to eat Patanjali noodles? There might be more bal in it than noodles. Ugh, yuck. So don't lie. And I know Maggie is back, guys. I just needed to say it to make this joke work. So yeah, sorry guys. Hi. Gotcha. Number 3, douchebags. We all love bad boys. That's what they write in all the magazines, but we actually don't. Okay, sorry guys. This came out louder than expected. So how do we spot a douchebag? Basically, if you see a guy being a total show-off and he wears brands like he's a walking, talking billboard and he laughs out very loudly on his own sexist jokes, you have spotted a douchebag. Also, don't be mean, self-centered, and have respect for other people. Basically, don't be Aditya Pancholi. Highly Bimbam. Number 4, hygiene. I know guys have layers, but please, no onion layers. Please take a shower daily. I don't even have to tell you, that's a given. There are multiple companies that are making products that will help you smell good. So why not make use of buying one? Yeah! Deodorants, perfumes, powders, but one warning about powders. I see a lot of you guys overusing powder. So what I mean with this is, in your childhood, your mummy most probably thought you were a roti. Beta, tum roti ho. Mummy, main aata nahi hu. And then she just took you and dropped you in tons of powder, thinking it is atta. But back then you were 5. Now there is no way you should be doing that when you're 25, running around like a bhoot. And the worst is when you sweat. Then that sweat and powder on your neck mixes together and coagulates on your neck like a grey necklace. And trust me, no girl wants to see a guy wearing jewelry unless you're Bapida. Got it? Hailey ka bim bam. Number 5 is style. I know a lot of you love Shah Rukh, Salman, Amir, even Hrithik or Akshay as a matter of fact. But that doesn't mean you should be dressing like them. Especially not looks from their old school movies. Don't imitate them. Sadly, if you do, you end up looking like a turkey, which is very, very far from being cool. Dude, you look so much like SRK. So please, no open shirt. Cleavages look nice on girls, not on boys. So don't Anil Kapoor everyone with your hair.
I'm a man with so much chest hair. You like that, right?
No. Also, no bhai collars, please. Yeah, I'm so cool. Look at me. I'm wearing bhai collar. I'm so awesome. No, you're not. Let all bhaigiri stay with Salman and you focus on becoming a real man. And please stop wearing sunglasses when not required. In the gym, at night, in restaurants, and not even in your sleep, because guess what? Your dreams are not gonna become any cooler just because you're wearing glasses. So remember guys, whenever you're meeting a girl, do not wear glasses because she doesn't want to see her reflection, but yeah. Oh, sorry mummy, नहीं कुछ नहीं कर रही थी मैं. Hailey ka bim bam. So this was it guys, these are my don'ts of what not to do when attracting a girl, and I hope I could be helpful in any way. Do let me know in the comment section below what your thoughts are and what you feel, or if there's anything else which guys do which girls don't like, so that guys can read the comments and then get some advice. And in case I said anything which offended anybody out there, I'm really sorry, that is not my intention. I just want to help guys out there to have more chances to get a girl. But again, this is not a guarantee that you will actually get a girl. There's a lot of luck involved as well. So if this video was helpful to you in any way, please give this video a thumbs up and let's try and get this video to 1000 likes again. That would make me very, very happy. I know we can make this happen. And in case you have any other friends who would like to see my channel, invite them and let's get the channel to 50,000 subscribers soon so I can have my meet and greet again. That would be so awesome to meet all of you. So make that happen, and next Tuesday you will see me again of how to attract Indian girls. Wait for that, and until then, bye-bye! Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and in case you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe by clicking down here, because agar tum sab karoge, sab theek ho jayega. Love punches! I'm gonna send you love punches. Love punch, love punch. All of you get love punch, love punch, love punch. Love punch!